For you to create a string, you can either use the double or single quotes. It has no effect. For example, let's create another variable bet. Bread is equals to Breton. There we have used single quotes. Let's get type. Obviously, this is a string. So the variable is bread. Let's close there. So it's a string. And we can also do the same. You can also take bread and do double quotes, and we have Nairobi. So that is double quotes. So if we print bread, now it should print Nairobi. And remember, this one we used double quotes, the other one we use single quotes. We can just redo it again so that we grasp it. So Breton, we print bread, now it should be Breton, but we use single quotes, and the other one we use double quotes. So you're able to use either the double or single quotes. They have no effect when you're dealing with Python.